No, I'm not a writer.
Okay.
If I find my way home, yeah. Wouldn't it be crazy? But you still amaze me. Wouldn't it be crazy? But you still amaze me. Wouldn't it be crazy? But you still amaze me. Wouldn't it be crazy? But you still.
Okay, you can find the ingredients below. I got some ground beef, and then I have some salt along with some garlic powder, and I'm going to use some Italian seasoning. Along with this, we're going to have some pepper jack cheese. We're going to spice it up just a little bit with that. Then we have some mild cheddar cheese to slap on that there burger. Y'all, I'm telling you, this is going to be the best hamburger in the world. Then we're going to add some shredded parmesan cheese. Love this stuff. Along with that, y'all, to top it up to make it juicy, we're going to use some teriyaki sauce. Use whatever teriyaki sauce you like, and get yourself some bread crumbs. I got the plain seasoning, all right? And then I got some rolls, all right? Some hamburger rolls. So get you some nice, good tasting hamburger rolls to go with this. So the first thing that we're gonna do, we're gonna go ahead and take all of our ingredients and mix everything together with the ground chuck. So I got the plain bread crumbs going into this here mixing bowl with the chuck. Then I got the Parmesan cheese, adding this to it also. And I'm adding in the Italian seasoning. Along with that, we're gonna add the onion powder and the salt, okay? We're mixing everything up together. If you guys never had a good burger on the grill, this is the time to fix a killer burger on the grill by following these instructions for the best burger in the world. I'm telling you, you guys will love this here. All right, so now since we got all of our ingredients mixed in with the meat, all we have to do is just go ahead and add with this the teriyaki sauce. Like I say, you can use whatever type of sauce you like, and if you're creative, you can go ahead and fix up your own teriyaki sauce, but store-bought is good too. Now we're gonna mix everything up together, you know what I'm saying? Get your hands in there, get squishy with it. Mix everything up. After we got everything mixed up, we're gonna go ahead and form our patties. You can form them up however you like. But if you could look at the Parmesan cheese that's in there. I'm telling you, man, you're gonna get a nice flavor out of this here. And it's gonna be juicy and tasty. It's gonna be the best burger you've ever had. Now we're gonna take some of this here black pepper, and you're gonna just grind that sucker right on top of these here patties. I put the pepper on both sides. This will be the last thing that I would do, is add the pepper on the outside of the burger. That'll give it a killer popping flavor, and we're ready for the grill. I got the grill set up on indirect heat. That's coals on one side and no coals on the other side, but you're gonna place your burgers on top of the fire, but you're gonna have to watch this for 1 minute. I'm telling you, you're gonna have to stand there with the grill and just let it cook for 1 minute, flip it, move it over to the opposite side, and let it continue to cook until done. After that, we're gonna go ahead and put some cheese on top of this here. You can use single cheese slices for your burgers. On some of these, I like having both, the cheddar and the pepper jack cheese. But whatever you do, don't walk away from these burgers from the grill, because if you do, you're gonna totally mess up a good burger, because these are the best tasting burgers in the world. Now, we're gonna take our buns. What I would highly suggest that you do for your buns, take you some butter, melt it, and if you can find you some complete seasoning, or use whatever type of seasoning you like, melt that butter in the microwave, spread that butter on your buns, and then toast it. After that, man, take everything off the grill. You feel me? Take your buns off the grill. You don't want them to burn. Take your burgers off the grill, because the cheese is nice and melted the way that you like it. The way that I like it, as you can see, yes, the best burgers in the world. Now we're gonna go ahead and dress these burgers up. I would say dress it up any way you want. I got some mayo here, y'all. It's not Miracle Whip, but it's Duke's. I'm using some Duke's mayo. Then I like mayo on both sides, the top and the bottom. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna dress some of this here mustard on my top bun. You can fix it up however you want, it's your burger. Then I got some lettuce going on the bottom bun. Then I'm gonna put me some tomatoes, sliced tomatoes on top of that there lettuce. Yes, give me that tomato. Okay, back to this the best burger in the whole wide world. Put you some sliced pickles on top of that. Once you got your sliced pickles on top of that, you could do a single burger on this, but I had to go because, you know, I had to put everything on it because it's the best burger in the world. Why not go ahead and stack 2 on top of that, baby? Then you could crown it. Yes, crown it. Why? Because that burger is the king. Crown your burger. Then after that, man, snack, eat, do whatever you want. Why? Because it's the best burger in the world. I want you guys to give this recipe a try. Thank you for checking out Ray Matt's Kitchen and Grill. Love and not hate. Peace. YouTube family, visit me on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. Thank you so much for checking out this here video. This burger was off the chain. Now, if you're not subscribed to my YouTube channel, it's not too late. Just hit that red subscribe button and hit the bell next to it. You will be notified of up and coming videos. Thank you so much for checking out Ray Matt's Kitchen and Grill. Love and not hate. Love somebody and hate nobody. Peace.